You're gonna milk all over that chair, Bibbers. Did you get in your chair? You're gonna need your Rubik's Cube. And your bottle. Oh, jeez. You gonna solve that tonight? You're so dramatic. You're ridiculous. Yay! You put your blanket back? Good job. Good job. Soraya. Hey, Soraya. Want this blanket? Want your quilt? Do you want your quilt? Want your quilt? Oh, we almost forgot our quilt. Where's this quilt from? Do you remember? Aunt Penny, huh? Here. Want your quilt or your bottle? Nice hair. Oh. You love that quilt, though. Look at that hair. I think it's going to be dreading soon. You know, I just cleaned over your... Soraya. Future Ryan Dunn right here. Drinking and climbing. Hi, pretty. Hi, pretty. Chug, good chug, good chug, good chug, good chug. You okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? Oh. Hi, Chunk. Hey, hey, Chunky. Are you Chunky? Yes. Do you like your chair? Hey, Soraya. Soraya, can you solve a Rubik's Cube? Do you like your chair? How many times have you solved the Rubik's Cube? Can you hold up your fingers and show me? Can you hold up your fingers and show me? What are you doing? You're so weird. Future Einstein right here. Check out that hair. Oh, you're so weird. Okay, can I have this? Thank you. Thank you. Okay, now you go back to discovering. No, it's from me. Please. Oh, you want to sit in my lap now. I don't know if you people can see this. It's probably sideways. Say hi there.